What's up guys, welcome to the garage. Today we have got a review, and this review is for HBX. They have kindly sent me 3 trucks, and today we're going to review this one, I think. This is the 1/18 scale Ratchet. So 1/18 scale, ready to run, 4-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz shocks, says up to 36 kilometers an hour. We'll speed check that and see what it is. Ball bearings, 380 motor, splash proof electronics, ready to run. All terrain, hobby grade vehicle, so it should be fully proportional. Let's get out of the box. So in the box you get the instruction manual, you get a nice little controller. Good for me because I can do it one-handed, like I record most of my videos. It's got your slow and normal speed on there, and then you got your steering reverse switch and the steering trim, so fully proportional. Charger, spare body clips, a set of optional LED lights to put on it, and a little screwdriver and a spoiler for the back of it. And this is the truck. So it says it's 1/18 scale. Let's put it next to the WL Toys 8959, and you can see the wheelbase is the same, but it just looks a little bit smaller in comparison. But anyway, it's a cute little truck. Tyres feel quite hard. The compound's alright, but I don't know. I don't think they've got foams in. They just feel quite hard. Got your friction dampers on there. Yeah, it feels alright for a little 1/18 scale. I like how the body clips on there, and you can lift the body up like that. That's a cool little feature. And then underneath, you've got your 380 motor, decent size for something this small. It should power it along nicely. Combined ESC and receiver, and a little 650 milliamp hour, 7.4 volt lithium ion. So this should have a little bit of power with that 380 motor, and your proper steering servo there. So all the suspension components are plastic. It looks like it's got metal drive shafts on CVDs at the front there, so that's a nice little touch. And then you got your drive shafts at the bottom, and open diffs front and rear, which is what you want for a little desert buggy like this. Anyway, let's get the battery charged, let's get the spoiler on, and let's take it out for a little run. So the first thing we're going to do with this is we're going to give it a speed run. Don't get caught out by the slow and the normal switch on the top. Make sure you've got it to normal if you want it to go fast. It has got a slow speed for if you want your kids to have a go, but let's speed test it on the faster speed, I think. So GPS is on and 0. I don't think we're going to break any records today, but 35 or 36 it says on the box. It's definitely not going to do that. I'm going to say 24, I reckon, 22 to 24. Let's give it a go and see how we get on. .26, not bad. So 26, we'll take that, that's not bad. 36 on the box, 26 on the actual speed, so for a Chinese speed claim, that's pretty good. Anyway, let's take it for a quick drive and see how it goes. This thing is a beast. No issues here with on the gravel. You can see it's pretty controllable. I mean, it's a short wheelbase, so it's going to, and it's a small car, so it is going to spin around quite a bit. But considering I'm driving this with one hand, I think you must admit that it doesn't look that hard to control. Pretty capable little truck. Definitely no issues with traction on this sort of stuff. It's pretty fun actually. Definitely able to kick some dirt up. This thing is awesome. Plenty of power, plenty of speed, jumps nice and level, looks good as well. So this is on slow mode, as you can see, nice and controllable, ideal for teaching your kids. If I go round in a circle in slow mode, like that, and then we'll switch it to fast, or normal, we'll do the same, and you'll see the difference straight away. Yeah, definitely recommend this for teaching your kids or giving your kids something to mess about with. Seems pretty tough. I've not obviously done a durability test on it, but from what I've seen from other videos, these things are pretty tough. Anyway, cheers for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time.
So close, and I will gonna take you traveling the world. But I can love you, yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'll give you all of what I've got, the fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you, yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby, cross my heart and hope to die.
So I've finished the video now. Well, I've finished doing the main recording stuff now. This thing's still going. I've had it on high mode. I only done that little bit on slow mode for you. And I've been probably going for about 20 minutes now. So that little battery, 650 milliamp hour. Definitely plenty of playtime with this.